ahead and start today's video, I just want to go ahead and say thank you to all of you guys who have been copying merch from me, buying the masks and stickers and whatnot. Huge shout out to you guys. It really does help me out a lot. So thank you guys so much. And if you guys are interested, add me on my Instagram and you can see the pictures and what it is I'm selling there. But let's get into today's video. Alright guys, today's video is going to be a pretty fun one. The Ricer in me is coming out and we're going to be installing some new LED lights. Let me go ahead and show you what it is we're going to be installing. Alright, so right here I went ahead and got these bad boys off of eBay. Super excited. I really wanted to add some neon lights underneath the dash area just to kind of go with everything. I feel like it's going to look really cool. So this is what we went ahead and picked up, and this is what they come with and what it looks like. So it does plug into your cigarette lighter, then you have an on and off switch right here. And then you have a control panel here, and it also does connect to Bluetooth. Alright, so this thing is very long, so we should easily be able to get it throughout the whole car and where we need it. But first things first, let me go ahead and plug it in and kind of show you guys what it can do. So this is the reasoning why I got them, mainly for the green to go with the theme. But it comes with a lot of other different functions, so it's going to be a lot of fun in my opinion. And then if you connect to the app, and then you can do brightness, music mode, music, color wheel. Alright, so that's pretty much okay. So we have it plugged in. I put that piece right there and then zip tied everything, all the wires, just tucked it up under there. And then right here we have the first light. I know it's really hard to see, I apologize. And then I ran the wire back because the wire comes out this way, runs it under, or it's running it underneath the board. And then it's all tucked up under there where it comes out right there. All the wires are over there now to try to get the other side underneath the dash. And then from there, pretty much just try to figure out where I can hide these. I really don't want to have to rip the whole console back out. It's not hard, but it's time consuming definitely, and I really don't want to have to do that. But if we do, then we will. But anyways, so I have all the wires over there. So now let me go over there and see what we can try to make happen. So we pulled this panel off and then just kind of ran the wire right here. So now it goes across and under, and it's gonna shoot across, and then we'll put that back on. So I think I'm just gonna do everything, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, or where all the wires are ran and whatnot. Okay guys, so I'm a little upset on how it was actually made. It looked like there was tons of slack, but actually the way it was made was pretty stupid. So I had to cut these two lights off, right there. When I got it tucked up on that side, the passenger side, I started to run it. It literally came up to like there. So I was like, I'm not gonna put the light right there. That doesn't make sense at all. So I'm going to end up, it has, let me see. Where's the end of it at that I cut? It has, right here. Can't really see it very well, but it has 3 wires in there, so I'll have to extend all 3 wires. It comes right here, and then this is stuck right there, and then you have the control panel there. Wires run up, it sticks, and then it overlaps again, comes up, goes through, and then bada boom, bada bam. Hopefully by cutting those wires it doesn't like affect anything. Nope, there it is. Yo, that's pretty sick. And then again, you have the colors here. So green. Let's turn the lights off and get an idea. My guy. Yo, what? How sick is that? Yo, that is dope. Oh my god, I love it. Alright guys, so here it is at night, all lit up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some non-copyright music on, and we're gonna have it go to the beat.